One of the most common questions on Udemy's instructor communities is, how do I market my new course? For new instructors, this is both critical and difficult. Let me talk you through some proven strategies I've tried myself, and also talk about what doesn't work, so you don't waste your time or money. In the end, you'll develop your own launch plan for your course to make sure you don't leave any opportunities on the table. To be successful with Udemy, it helps to view your presence on the platform as a business that you run. And one of the more powerful concepts in business is called the Flywheel Effect. The idea was introduced in a book called Good to Great, and it also played a big role in Amazon.com's growth. The idea is to look for self-sustaining cycles in businesses, and ways to fuel those cycles over time to make them spin faster and faster. It's possible to view the sales of your course on Udemy through this lens. Let's walk our way through this diagram as it's worth understanding. Let's start on the left. This arrow going into the flywheel represents any pre-qualified traffic you can send into your course landing page on Udemy. This might be coupon links from your YouTube video descriptions, from your blog, from your Udemy promotional announcements, or your social media posts about your course. This traffic is pre-qualified because people would only follow those links if they had a genuine interest in your course, so the people coming to your course landing page are pretty likely to actually purchase it. This sort of traffic can generate conversion rates of around 20%, which is way, way higher than conversion rates you get from random people just browsing the Udemy platform. So, by infusing your course landing page with pre-qualified traffic from your own marketing, you can boost the overall conversion rate of your course landing page. That's what we mean by good conversion as we enter the flywheel. Conversion rate is an important signal to Udemy's algorithms. It is only economical for them to purchase online ads for courses that have high conversion rates, for one thing. Udemy pays for clicks to course landing pages, and they want to send those clicks to the pages most likely to result in a purchase that will recoup the cost of that ad. So courses that convert well will be advertised more heavily by Udemy. It's also a signal to Udemy's search algorithms that students like what they see when they reach your landing page, and good conversions can also boost your search placement on Udemy. What happens with better search placement and more ads for your course? More traffic to your course landing page. And as that increased traffic leads to even more conversions and hopefully a higher conversion rate on your course, Udemy just keeps promoting it more and more for you. In practice, there is an upper bound to how fast this flywheel can spin for an individual instructor, but your job is to get it spinning as fast as you can. Creating a compelling course landing page keeps this flywheel working efficiently, but to give it an extra push, you need to constantly feed it with new, pre-qualified traffic of your own. Why is this such an important insight? Well, for one thing, it informs the strategy of sending all of your external marketing to your course landing page on Udemy, not to your own website or to some other platform. The traffic you send to Udemy is worth more than just the initial sale it might drive. It helps to keep sending signals to Udemy's algorithms to keep promoting your course for you on your behalf. And the reach of Udemy's marketing tools far outweigh your own. The key to success on Udemy is keeping its algorithms happy by showing Udemy that people who visit your course landing page are likely to buy it. Conversion rate isn't the only signal, of course. Reviews matter too, as well as your SEO strategy. But maintaining good conversion rates by sending pre-qualified traffic to your course is something that requires sustained effort and discipline. It's not like SEO, where you can just improve your landing page and call it good. Spinning a flywheel requires continued effort, pushing in a consistent direction. Just about every successful instructor you talk to will say that you need to put in persistent hard work over a long period of time to get there, and this is why. So let's talk about how to keep that pre-qualified traffic pushing your flywheel forward.